Here's the motor. I've been given instructions by other people I've met in this Volkswagen world about how to do this. Seemed pretty straightforward. So first thing, let's write down how the wires are all hooked up, and therefore I can put it all back, and then get under there physically and find the 4 screws that hold it on it. Yeah, I got a few ideas how to do this. I think if I can get a jack high enough to grab the motor, which I'm gonna try my Harley jack. If not, I'm gonna unbolt the motor, put the vehicle back down, and then lift the body away from the motor. I should just bring this in my backyard. Took the Chevelle off the lift and put this on the lift. A lot of movement. I don't feel like doing it. So you know what? I'm gonna see if I can do this the old-fashioned way. My dad said he did it. Hey, good enough for him, good enough for me. Today on As the VW Turns, see the front wheel? When you put that extra on it, oh yeah, you can see the whole picture now. It works. So the other venture was, let's stop this oil drip. Now how are we gonna stop this oil drip? We're gonna take the whole goddamn engine out. Put another one in that don't drip. Can't pass this off to my dad and have him messing up his driveway. I've been given a few scenarios of what's going on or possibly going on. I said, you know what? I'm just switching the whole damn thing. And it might have been something simple. A little late now, we got the motor. So, we'll take this one out. I looked online, I talked to a bunch of people. It seems to be pretty straightforward. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. As y'all see, they had to elevate it to a whole different level to get this motor in here. Let me see, let me get a little bit more on it. Right there.
Make sure you're coming down straight.
How we looking, Ron?
Looking good.
Hey, we're gonna come down slow.
All right, hold right there. Let's straighten it out. Get it where you want. Come to the left a little.
Right here, that way. Maybe I need to get it in the area, and so I can manipulate from there. Now I can bring the motor up to it, and the way it goes, as I was instructed, that it has 2 pins that are permanently on the case. You bring it up there, you slide, get those on the pins, you rock it in the case. You rock it in there. Here's my little box. There's a box there in the bottom of the motor, right here. Turn around, right here.
Oh.
So you got to let the motor up high enough, so if I can't go up that. I was thinking I was going to lower the car down more, but I had to decide. I said, I'll cross that bridge when I get there. Turn off. Old motor. Fresh one. Finish hiding some wire work, and we'll be done inside the engine compartment area. Put the little flex soles on it, and then we'll look official underneath the boot. I got a piece that goes up in there. I don't know if it's from the right vehicle or not, but we're gonna check that out. Yeah, I'm feeling much better about this. Let's keep pushing. Okay, we had an oil leak on the other motor. Then, as I broke it down and talked to other people, they told me there's like 3 different seals in the back of it. I didn't want to guess and try and find out what seal it was. Already had bought another motor. Hey, Cat, go hit the key one time. Let's see how it go. And so I went and bought a whole nother motor. I said, to hell with that. Let me get something that's ready to go. Okay. Go, keep going. We got gas, go. You hit the gas? Because the filter is showing no gas. Go, it got a full tank. Hit the key. Yeah, turn the key back and turn it on. Here we go. Guess who's back? Let me warm up a little bit. Let me see some torch on. Fire up. That's what we're talking about. Working on the outside, going to the inside.